Hi everybody, this is Fagun Shah from Integration Lab, and today we are going to deep dive into a custom app which I built inside Public Connect called Assembly AI. So Assembly AI basically a custom app which is used to create transcription from the public audio URL, or you can create subtitles in SRT or VTT format as well, and you can do speaker diarization, summarization as well. Okay, so all of those things are possible by Assembly AI. Now this custom app is completely free. Okay, it is completely free to use. You just need to watch this video to understand how to use this custom app inside Public Connect. Okay, in case you need any help with that, you can hire me. Support is not included with this particular free app or any of the free custom apps which are available on my store. Okay, support is always a extra purchase, right? So yeah, let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel Integration Lab, make sure you do that and to just support me. Okay, so yeah, let's start by comparing Whisper AI and particular Assembly AI. So why would you use Assembly AI instead of Whisper AI? Whisper AI is a offering by OpenAI company, which is basically the same company behind ChatGPT models, right? Now there are few things. First is there is a 25 MB size limit when it comes to OpenAI's Whisper API for speech to text. Okay, now Assembly AI can handle audio up to 10 hours long as well, right? So that is much better. Obviously 10-hour audio will cross 25 MB size limit very easily, right? So that is the first plus point. Second one, Whisper AI doesn't have a free plan. You have to pay from the start. This one has 5 hours of free transcription every month, right? So if your usage is less than 5 hours per month, you just don't pay anything in for that, right? Next one is API for Whisper AI is not directly supported inside Public Connect. Yes, you can use custom apps developed by third-party developers, but in that case, your data will be going to third-party app developer server. Okay, so basically, I had a lawyer client who basically never wanted to send their confidential data to other third party unknown developer servers, right? So in that case I have to find another way, and that's why I started using Assembly AI to transcript their phone calls, basically using Public Connect and a third party another software called Processio, which was a recent AppSumo Ltd, right? And so yeah, this thing Assembly AI API is directly supported inside Public Connect, and I have also created a custom app, but my custom app doesn't send your data anywhere other than Public or Assembly AI servers. Okay, I do not see your data in between. When you use my custom app, I cannot access your data. Okay, that's not just possible. Okay, so that is more of a security kind of feature in my opinion. Next one, Whisper AI I have found a little bit less accurate, and this one is much more accurate. I have found transcription of Assembly AI as similar as rev.com. Okay, so my client was paying around $1.25 or $1.5 per minute for transcription on rev.com, and now he's paying, I think so, 6 times less or something like that. Very less compared to what they were originally paying, right? You can check the pricing on Assembly AI pricing page. And next one is there are very less option in Whisper AI. There is no speaker diarization, there is no default summarization, so those kind of options are not available in Whisper AI, but there are tons of options available basically in Assembly AI. Few of them are like generating subtitles, speaker diarization is available, summarization is available. Those are the only 3 things which I have added, but yeah, there are a lot more things which are available inside there. Okay, now Whisper AI updates are super slow compared to their other text generation or chat completion models. Okay, but Assembly AI updates are quite frequent. They are constantly upgrading their server performance and other things as well. They have recently launched a new model called Lemur as well, so you can check that out as well. I think so API is still not publicly available. If they make it publicly available, I will add that inside my custom app as well. Okay, now Whisper AI support is super slow because they have obviously that many clients, and it is like world super famous company for AI right now. So yeah, obviously they cannot basically cater all the client requests right now. Okay, but Assembly AI has a live chat support even in free plan, and believe me, support is has great technical knowledge regarding APIs in case you need any help. And yeah, overall they have great knowledge about their pricing plan and everything, right? So yeah, this was basically the comparison, like why you should use Assembly AI instead of Whisper AI. Choice is yours. Okay, I don't mind whatever you use. Your problem should be getting solved in the end, right? So yeah, let's go to public connect workflow and let's see what we can do there, right? So here is just a dummy workflow I have created, and you can see I have selected Assembly AI custom app, and action event is transcribe audio by URL. Now here you can see the audio URL. It is basically a Google Drive file. By the way, in case you want to use Google Drive file URLs to generate the transcript from, make sure you follow this format. So this, and then the ID of the file, and file should have a permission. Anyone with link should be able to view. Okay, now there are two options. When you try to transcript anything using Assembly AI, it will give you an ID, and you can also mention the webhook URL where it should ping once the transcription is ready. Okay, so we are going to enter a public connect webhook URL here there, and we want that whenever the transcription is ready, it should go to this particular webhook URL and pass the transcription ID there. Okay, so now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, so here you can see that it has been queued, and this is the URL we have passed, and it has written us ID as well. Now you have two options. One, which we already talked about, that you can set up a webhook and it will receive the ID once the transcription is ready, or you can just add a delay. I don't recommend delay wave. Why? Because you never know how long the audio is, so you never know how much delay you would need. Okay, so you will end up then adding a delay of 1 hour, 2 hour, or something like that. Okay, for now I am just going to for demo purposes going to add a 5 minute of delay, but you need to add a lot more delay in case your audio is much more longer. Okay, and then we can use this get transcribed by ID action, and here, so if we do save and send test request right now, you can see the status is processing. Above the status was queued, and now the status is processing, right? So let me do one more thing. Let's do webhook URL here as well. Oh, this is speaker diarization. Instead of that, I will do subtitles SRT VTT format. So save here. And by the way, let me just show you how you can add a new connection as well. So just click on connect button, add new, then you can click on this link here, and you can just click here to copy, go back. Sorry for that, I should have kept it in a new window. I forgot about that. I will change that. So SRT VTT, click on connect, here new, control V, save. So we select this get transcribed by ID. So remember, we have already like use this to get the ID. Now we can use the same ID to pass in here, okay, and generate the subtitles for that particular thing. Okay, so here in the response, you can see that subtitles are generated here. this m%gt is just a public connect issue, not a assembly AI issue. So I will refresh it, and if you see here, you can see that subtitles are now ready. Okay, and let's go here, and you can see that the webhook URL we have set up in this one is now sent the data here. So basically what we can do here is assembly AI again, and just choose get transcript by ID instead of SRTVTT. Save it, transcript ID, just select it, hit save and send test request. Let's see how long the audio was. Maybe we can get that information from here. So yeah, that was quite a long audio. So yeah, almost 39 minutes. So here is the full transcription with all the punctuation marks and everything available for you to use. Okay, so yeah, this is how it works. Just caution before you start using it. If you are planning to use summarization or speaker diarization, just make sure one thing, that you only use it for small audios inside public connect, because public connect has an limit on the response size, and assembly AI sends a huge responses because it sends each and every word as a separate key value pair as well, and that basically makes the response so long, and sometimes it doesn't work. But yeah, that's a public connect issue. For that you need to just contact that team, that they should give us a much higher limit for those kind of things, right? So yeah, just make sure that you do that. And for speaker diarization, you might need to use some JavaScript code as well afterwards. Okay, but yeah, it will give you separate speaker identification in the response it returns. Okay, then you have to use JavaScript to combine it. I might create another video on that, not 100% sure if I will get time for that or not, but in case you want more information, you can hire me by sending me a message on Facebook, or sending me an email on fagun@integrationlab.in. Okay, so yeah, I hope this video has helped you, and now you know how to generate transcription for free, 100% free, up to 5 hours using assembly AI, right? And yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.